from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery, a very classy gold and black knife. This is ER-134. It comes in several other models and color schemes. The CA model, the PC, the PK, the RB, and the RCB. And this would make an excellent gift. Look at the nice gold tone. It's a folding knife, dual thumb studs as your openers. Wildlife theme there. Great gift for a hunter. The blade length is 2 3/4 inches. See, it's a drop point with a hollow grind, stainless steel. Liner lock locking mechanism. It's a very solid knife as well. Thick liners. Altogether, this looks great. I mean, this would be a very classy and sophisticated gift for the outdoorsman. Easy to disengage, easy to open. Just altogether a handy little pocket knife from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery.